Hello everybody. This is gonna be a interesting little video for Wednesday. Somebody asked if I could just introduce myself and give like backstory stuff because they see that I have other instruments over here and a piano behind me, and that I just do all these covers, but you guys don't really know much about me. So a little introduction video, I guess, is what this would be. But basically, I've been playing ukulele for, I don't know, about 1 or 2 years. Hasn't been that long, but maybe it's been longer and I just don't remember. But this year I've recently been a lot more into it and trying to focus more on it. And then in my process of trying to get better, I found Boywithuke, and I always wanted to learn his songs, but there was no tutorials and I couldn't find any. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna figure out how to play them, and then I'm gonna make tutorials so all of you guys can learn how to do it, because there's other people like me that wanna know how to play his songs. So that's how this channel pretty much got its little jump in subscribers, and it turned into a ukulele channel now, and we do a lot of tutorials, mostly Boywithuke right now, but then we're gonna slowly start doing other songs besides his, because other people are requesting more songs besides Boywithuke. But as he keeps making songs and people keep requesting them, I'll keep doing tutorials. But basically, I didn't start with ukulele. I started with guitar, and I just learned like a few basic chords and some songs that I like from like Ed Sheeran and stuff like that. But it never like felt like I was getting the hang of it. Like I could play it kind of, but it didn't feel like complete. And then I got a ukulele for me and my wife when we were still engaged. And ever since then, I just thought this was more fun and like satisfying to play. And ever since then, I was like, yeah, ukuleles all the way. Fast forward to this year, we actually have a little baby boy now, and this new house that we live in, and hence the instruments sitting out here and the piano. I actually don't know how to play piano. She got me this as a surprise, and I'm gonna try to learn how to play it, but it's really hard. But basically, ukulele is my main instrument, and that's why I've been doing tutorials and trying to teach you guys how to play all the songs that I want to learn how to play as well. Also, whoever won the little backpack ukulele that I'm gonna make, I'm gonna message you personally, so that way nobody can attack you or whatever. I'm like, I should have won, blah, blah, blah. So I'll message you personally and tell you that you won, and then I'll make the design or theme that you want, and then I'll send it to you, because that was the reward for the 500 subscribers as a thank you to all you guys. And if you guys haven't checked, we're at like 670 something subscribers. We're almost getting to 1,000, where I'm gonna do a custom painted ukulele giveaway of a full-size one, not just a backpack one, but that'll be awesome. So if we keep going up in the subscribers, that'd be awesome, because if I could start doing this as like a full-time thing, then I can make more and more videos, more and more tutorials, and yeah, other stuff like that. But besides the tutorials and everything, I actually do try to make my own songs with ukulele. Kind of my own little style, like bedroom pop-ish sounding, but not as beat mixy soundy as like Boywithuke. But if you guys do want to check that out, I have my link to Spotify down in the description. I have 2 songs out. The first song I ever wrote was for my wife. It's called Butterflies. It's on there. I have a song that I released in October. It's called Chameleon Boy. That was like one of the 3rd or 4th songs I've written. I wrote other ones. I made a little EP, but I'm gonna redo it because I didn't like how they ended up. And then now I have a new song called Two-Headed Creature that's gonna come out this Saturday on the 11th. So go check that out when it comes out. A few songs. If you guys want me to do my songs on here, I can on like Wednesday's videos, since Wednesday is kind of a random day where I just post whatever. And if you like those and you want me to do tutorials of my own songs, then I can do that too. But yeah, so that's pretty much what's going on. So thank you guys for asking and for caring and wanting to know more about me, since you guys watch all these tutorial videos, and I guess you're more interested in knowing what kind of guy is showing you guys how to play songs, instead of just randomly listening to a guy that teaches you how to play songs. But I appreciate you guys so much. It would help me a lot if you guys like this video, comment like you usually do, and then share it with your friends. Get our little family to grow, our little uke family growing, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I actually have a special tutorial for Boywithuke coming this Friday. It's gonna be his loafer song that he doesn't even have ukulele for. That is his only song that he doesn't have ukulele in. And I figured out the chords that he used on, I think it's a synth, but I figured out the chords, and I'm going to try to put it on the ukulele and see how it sounds, and that's going to be the tutorial for Friday. So if you guys want to learn how to play loafers on Ukulele by Boywithuke, that's going to be Friday's video. So I'll see you in that one.
A creature with two heads, sleeping in two beds. Is it sweet or is it dead?